Hello, this is Christopher Saps, Learning with the Best. Today we will be learning about law of sines. The law of sines basically states that if you have a triangle, then you can find a side or an angle by knowing different components. Let's go to our examples. Example 1. A is our main angle, which is 57 degrees. B is our main side, which is 26 inches. A is a side, that's 33 inches. Now, first thing you want to do is visualize it. So, you'll draw a triangle. Since A is 57 degrees, you write that right here. Since B is 26 degrees, you would write that right here. Or 26 inches, I should say. A is 33 inches. Now, you'll be asking yourself, what two components do I have that can complete this formula? Or, the formula is A over sine A basically equals any other side over the angle times the sine. So, we'll use this. A is 33 inches. Sine A (57 degrees). Now, if you get your handy-dandy calculators out, you should have them ready, because the next step, we will find B. Now, B, we already have the side for B, so that's 26 inches over sine of B. We don't know what that is. So, now that we have to find sine B, the angle, here's what we'll do. 33 times sine B equals 26 times sine 57. Now, take out your calculators, have them ready, because after this you're going to need it. First, you will divide both sides by 33. After that, you're basically going to use the negatives of the sign to find it. That's how you get rid of the sign that's still there. Then you plug into your calculator. Make sure it's in degrees, since that's what you're trying to find. Then you plug it in. I'll show you guys how I do it on my calculator. Now, shift sine 26 sine 57 over 33 equals, drum roll please, B is 41.3, you could say 4 because you round 5 degrees. Now, we'll put that over here so that we have some more room. B equals 41.3 degrees. Now, what else do we have to find in this triangle, you may ask yourself. Now that we have B, that's 41.3 degrees. So, you can always subtract it from 180. 180 minus 57 minus 41. And just to be clear, when you're working with degrees, you don't need a decimal. Equals 82 degrees. Now that's going to be C. Now, we have everything but the side for C. Here's what we're going to do. Basically apply what we did to find B, but we're going to do it with A. Since we already were given A and B, or A and the angle of A, here's what we're going to do. We're going to work with that instead of the B product. So, we have 33 inches over sine, you don't need the inches, sine 57
Kris, you're at 5:30.
Sine 82 over what? We don't know that. Now here's what you can do. Because it's just like this, you can multiply both sides by sine 82 and get C. That's what I'm going to do. C equals, here's it on my handy dandy calculator once again. We're going to do 33 over sine of 57 times sine 82. And here's what we're going to get. 38.9. Going to round this up, and it's going to be 39 inches. So now we have all components. Here's what I like to do. I like to write it all out so that I have the finishing product.
Kris, 6:30. Quickly.
A is 57 degrees. The side of A is 33 inches. B is 41 degrees. The side of B is 26 inches.
Hurry up.
And C is 82 degrees. The side of C is what we just found, and that's 39 inches.
Right.
There we go. That's how you find and use the law of sines.